Hey Boredom Crafters! In today's video, I'll be showing you an amazing bath bomb recipe you can do with ingredients you probably already have at home. The first step is to add 4 tablespoons of baking powder to your bowl. You could add more if you want. I'm going to be making small bath bombs today. Now add the food coloring, but don't add too much. Now it's time to mix the liquids. Get some lemon juice concentrate, or just normal lemon juice, and add it to the mixture. You will notice that the more lemon concentrate you add to your mixture, the more the color of your mixture darkens. When your mixture starts looking like this, it means it's time to add the oils. I'm going to be using glycerin oil, but you can use olive oil instead. Don't forget to add essential oils for an amazing scent. Once your mixture starts looking like this, it means your bath bombs are ready to be molded. What I like about this recipe is that you can mold your bath bomb using your hands. I'm going to be making a small bath bomb to test it in water. Let's see how well this bath bomb will work. This bath bomb worked perfectly. It just needed a few seconds for the fizz to start coming out, but I still think the result is amazing. I hope you enjoyed today's bath bomb recipe. I really found it easy and fun to make. Thank you for watching!